A virus once common in childhood can inflame the salivary glands and, in severe cases, even affect the brain and reproductive organs. Mumps is caused by the Mumps virus, a single-stranded RNA virus belonging to the Paramyxovirus family. It primarily infects the respiratory tract before spreading throughout the body. Mumps spreads through respiratory droplets and direct contact with saliva from infected individuals. This highly contagious nature is why outbreaks can spread so quickly in communities. After initial replication in the respiratory tract, the virus enters the bloodstream to travel across the body. It commonly targets and infects the parotid salivary glands. The most recognizable symptom of mumps is painful swelling near the jaw caused by inflamed salivary glands. Fever, headache, fatigue, and muscle pain are also common systemic symptoms. This swelling can make swallowing and chewing particularly painful for those infected. Although many infections are mild, mumps can sometimes cause serious complications like meningitis. In rarer cases, it can lead to encephalitis, an inflammation of the brain tissue itself. Other organs can be affected too, including the pancreas, leading to pancreatitis. Mumps can also result in permanent hearing loss by damaging the inner ear structures. Inflammation of the testes, known as orchitis, is a common complication in post-pubertal males. The mumps vaccine included in the MMR vaccine is the most effective way to prevent infection. It has dramatically reduced global disease incidence and serious complications over the decades. Despite vaccination success, mumps outbreaks can still occur in crowded settings. This often happens in communities with insufficient vaccine coverage or high density. Mumps remains scientifically important as it shows how respiratory viruses can spread systemically. Studying its behavior helps researchers understand viral pathogenesis and immune responses. Mumps illustrates how a common childhood virus can sometimes produce serious complications. Yet widespread vaccination continues to protect millions of people worldwide. Protect yourself and your community. Subscribe for more scientific virus documentaries.